Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn measurements. Measurements. What is a measurements? Everyone's day-to-day life is to measuring the length of a rope, the distance between the two places, finding the perimeter, area of a plots and lands, buildings, etc. So, are a few of the many situations where the concept of measure is used. So circle, measurement of a circle. A circle is a plane figure enclosed by a curved line, every point on which is equidistant from the point within a called the center. A circle. So circle is a plane figure enclosed by a curved line. Every point on which is equidistant from a point within called the center. So circle is a whole part of the circle. Circle is a whole plus enclosed by a curved line. It is a whole part of the circle. So circle inside having diameter, center, radius, circumference. Diameter, center, radius and circumference. So for example of a circle, shape of a circle like a bangle, pizza, wheel. So most common shape in the universe. Okay. So definition of a circumference. So circumference. The circumference of a circle is a perimeter. Circumference of a circle is a perimeter. So what is a circumference? One round of the boundary, one distance around the boundary of a circle. That means outer surface of a circle. That is a circumference. Distance around the boundary of a circle. Okay. So next one is a diameter. The diameter of a circle is the longest distance across a circle. Diameter of a circle is the longest distance across a circle. A straight line passing through the circle, connecting 2 points on the boundary of the circle. Connecting two points of the circle is a diameter. So die using the word Greek word. Die means across or through. Meter means measurement. The diameter denoted by small letter of d. So that means a radius. 2 radius. So center point of 2 radius. Die touches 2 points on the circle. Die means touches 2 points on the circle. Passes through the center. Every diameter is a chord. The diameter of a circle is the longest distance across a circle. Sorry, understand? Radius. The radius of a circle is the distance from the center of the circle to the outside edge. The radius of a circle is the distance. From the center of the circle to the outside edge. So distance from the center of the circle to the boundary of the circle. Distance between the center to boundary. So center means origin. So center means origin. So radius, collection of all the points in the plane. So fixed distance means center of the point. Fixed distance is the fixed point, origin of a circle. That means the center of a point. So origin of a circle. So distance from the center of the circle to the boundary of the circle. So distance between center and boundary. So Latin word. Using Latin word, which means ray or spoke of wheel. Radius is denoted by smaller. circumference. Circumference using the formula C is equal to pi d. Circumference using the formula C is equal to pi d. That means diameter. Diameter of a circumference. That means using the formula C is equal to pi d. C is equal to pi d. Pi means pi is equal to 3.14. So it is approximate value. It is a approximate value. So another one is a pi value 22/7. Circumference of a radius. So using the radius of a circumference, C is equal to 2 pi r. C is equal to 2 pi r. So pi value 22/7 or 3.14 approximate value. 3.14 approximate value. For example of a circumference, that means diameter of circumference of a circle. Diameter of a circumference of a circle. That means diameter d is equal to 6 cm. D is equal to 6 cm. So circumference formula C is equal to pi d. Pi into d. So pi value 3.142 into diameter value 6. D is equal to 6. So 3.142 multiplied by 6. So we get a value 18.85 centimeter. 18.85 centimeter. So next one is a circumference of a radius. Given radius equal to 4 centimeter. Given radius equal to 4 centimeter. So circumference of radius formula C is equal to 2 pi r. C is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into pi value is 3.142. Pi value is 3.142 into radius value is 4 centimeter. So multiply by 2 into 3.142 into 4. We get the value is 25.14 centimeter. Next one, area of a circle. Next one is a area of a circle. So area means area of a circle. A is equal to pi r square. Where formula A is equal to pi r square. Area of a circle means inner surface of a circle. Inner surface of a circle. That means inner surface area of a circle is radius. So center point of origin A is equal to pi r square. Area of a circle, inner surface of area. Area of a circle means inner surface of area. That is a formula A is equal to pi r square. A is equal to pi r square. For example, area of a circle. So given radius is 6 centimeter. A is equal to pi r square twice the time of pi r square. That means diameter. So twice the time of radius is diameter. Twice the time of radius is diameter. So that means A is equal to pi r square. So pi value 3.142 into 6 square. So 2 times of 6. So 3.14 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. So multiply 3.142 into 36. We get a value is 113.11 centimeter square. 11 centimeter square. Are you understand? So example 2. Area of a circle. So given a radius 8 centimeter. So diameter radius r is equal to d by 2. So given diameter is 8 centimeter. 8 divided by 2. So radius is a 4 centimeter. Radius r is equal to 4 centimeter. A is equal to pi r square. Area of a circle pi r square is equal to 3.142 into r square. 2 times of 4 into 4. 4 4s are 60. 3.142 multiplied by 60. So we get a value 50.27 centimeter square. Next one is a arc. A portion of the circumference of a circle. A small part of boundary. First point is a small part of boundary. Arc means small part of boundary. That means this is like a arc. arc. So small part of the boundary, portion of boundaries, boundary of a circumference of a circle, portion of boundary of a circumference of a circle. So that like a 2 radius, that like a 2 radius, given 2 radius, then given arc B to C. So now we considered A, center of the point A, B and C, center of the point A, B, C. So small part of B and C are small part of the sector, small part of the boundary. It is a small part of the boundary. This is like a big part of the boundary. So B to C is a big part of the big part of the boundary, and A to C is a small part of the boundary. Arc length LA. So we get a formula: part of a circle defined by 2 points. Part of a circle defined by 2 points. Part of the crust on a pizza, distance B and C. Distance B and C are called arc. B and C are called arc. So L is equal to length of the arc. L is equal to n by 360 degree into 2 pi r. N by 360 degree into 2 pi r. A circle is 360 degree. A circle is a 360 degree. So example of arc length. So radius is a given radius is 12 centimeter. So degree 45 degree. So n, that means like a n. That means like n. LA is equal to n by 360 degree into 2 pi r. So n is equal to 45 degree divided by 360 degree into 2 into pi value 3.142 into 12. So cancel 45 degree divided by 360 degree, cancellation la. So it is a 1 by 8 into, so 2 into 3.142 into 12. So that is a multiply value 75.41. So we get a value 9.43 centimeter. 9.43 centimeter. So length of the arc formula: n by 360 degree into 2 pi r, 45 degree by 360 degree. So cancellation law, 45 into 45 divided by 8, 360 degree divided by 8. So we get a value 1 by 8 into 75.41. So cancel 75.41 divided by 8, we get a value for 9.43 centimeter. Next one is a radian. The angle made by taking the radius and wrapping it along the edge of the circle. Arc of a length and radian. This is equal. From a degree to radian. Radian's formula: pi by 180 degree into degree. 180 degree into degree. So degree, given degree, pi into 1 pi by 180 degree into degree. So from radian to degree. So given radian to find a degree. Degree is equal to 180 degree by pi into radians. 180 degree by pi into radians. Form a reciprocal. So radians pi by 180 degree into degree. So degree means form a reciprocal of 180 degree by pi into radians. Given radians to find a degree. So example from degree to radians. Third degree to radians formula: pi by 180 degree into 30 degree. Pi by 180 degree into 30 degree. So 30 is divided by cancel 180 degree 6. We get a value 6. Pi by 6 radians. Don't put the value of pi. So 150 degree is equal to pi by 180 degree into 150 degree. We get a value 5 pi by 6 radians. 5 pi by 6 radians. So another one example, 270 degree is equal to pi by 180 degree into 270 degree. So we get a value 3 pi by 2 radians. Example, radians to degree. Radians to degree. Pi by 3 radians. Pi by 3 radians. So 180 degree by pi into pi by 3. So cancel. Pi is cancelled. 180 degree divided by 3. We get a value is 60 degree. So get a value 60 degree. 2 pi by 3 radians. So 180 degree by pi into 2 pi by 3. So cancel pi. 180 degree into 2, 360 degree divided by 3. So we get a value 120 degree. So another radians to degree formula. What is the radians to degree formula? 180 degree by pi into 5 by pi by 4. So cancel into pi. So 180 degree into 5 divided by 4. So we get a value 225 degree. Next one, arc length. Arc length. So already you know that the arc length. So given radian, LA is equal to r theta. LA is equal to r theta. So part of a circle is defined by 2 points. Distance between B and C are called arc. Kindly two kinds of areas of that circle. Distance between the arc length. So where theta is a radians. Example, arc length. Arc length 2.5 radians. Arc length is a 2.5 radians. Radius is a 4.16 centimeter. So length of the arc formula r theta. So radians is a theta. So radius is a 4.16 centimeter into radians value 2.5. So multiply together. So we get a value 10.4 centimeter. Next, another one, arc length. So arc length formula, radians equal to pi by 4. Next, radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Radians equal to pi by 4. Radius equal to 10 centimeter. So arc length formula, LA is equal to r theta. So radius is equal to 10 centimeter into theta. Theta means radians, pi by 4 radians. So multiply, we get a value 7.86 centimeter. So another one example, arc length, LA is equal to r theta. Radians value, theta is equal to 0.8 radians. So radius equal to 25 centimeter. So multiply into r into theta. 25 into 0.8, we get the value 20 centimeter. Are you understand? Sector. A sector is a part of a circle enclosed by radii of a circle and their intercepted arc. A sector is a part of the circle enclosed by two radii of a circle and their intercepted arc. So area bounded by two radii and arc subtended between them. In particular, slice cut a piece of pizza. A sector is a part of a circle enclosed by two radii of the circle. That means theta is a radian and center of the radius. It is a two radii of a circle. A sector is a part of the circle enclosed by two radii of a circle and their intercepted area. So area of a sector. area of a sector divided by area of a circle equal to center angle divided by 360 degree. Center angle divided by 360 degree. So area of a sector given degree. Now we use a formula A is equal to n by 360 degree pi r square. N by 360 degree pi r square. N value theta by 360 degree pi r square. Already you know that area of a circle formula pi r square. So area of a sector degree given degree. Now we use a formula n by 360 degree pi r square. Area of a sector radian formula A is equal to theta by 2 pi into pi r square. So area of a sector divided by area of a circle equal to center of the angle divided by 2 pi. So we get a cross multiply A into 2 pi theta into pi r square. So we get a area of a sector radian. So given radian theta by 2 pi into pi r square. So cancel pi cancel. So 1 by 2 r square theta. So area of a sector given radian 1 by 2 r square theta. Example 2, area of a sector. So theta means radians, 1.4 radians. So radius is a 5 centimeter. So 1 by 2 1 by 2 r square. 5 into 5 1.4. So we get a value 17.5 centimeter square. Chord of a circle is a line segment. Chord of a circle is a line segment whose ends line on the circle. Chord of a circle is a line segment whose ends lie on the circle. So chord divided into two regions known as segments. Region bounded by the chord, the arc subtended by the chord. Region bounded by the chord and another one is the arc subtended by the chord. Larger area is a major segment and smaller area is a minor segment. Larger area is a major segment and smaller area is a minor segment. That is called the chord. So recall the chord. Chord of a circle is a line segment whose ends lie on the circle. Given the radius and distance to the center. The simple application of Pythagoras theorem. So already you know that Pythagoras theorem, chord length equal to 2 root r square minus d square. R square minus d square. So Pythagoras theorem formula AC square is equal to root of AB square minus AC square. Already you know that. So AC square is equal to root of AB square minus ABC square. So chord length use a Pythagoras theorem. It is a right angle theorem. It is a right angle. So only use a Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Chord length is equal to 2 root of r square minus d square. Perimeter of a semicircle. Remember the perimeter is the distance round outside. A semicircle has two edges. Two edges. One half of the circumference and other is a diameter. One half of the circumference and other is a diameter. So it is divided into two. The circle divided into two parts. One edge is a half of the circumference. Another one is a diameter. Perimeter means boundary of the circle. Outer surface of the semicircle. Perimeter is equal to pi r plus 2r. So two edges. So two edges means half of a circumference plus and other is a diameter. So perimeter formula pi r plus 2r. Perimeter. So semicircle of a perimeter. So diameter is equal to 8 cm. Diameter or radius. So radius equal to 8 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to pi r plus 2r. Perimeter formula pi r plus 2r 3.142 into 8 by 2. So radius d by 2. Radius d by 2. So diameter value d is equal to 8 centimeter. So convert into radius 8 by 2. So 4 2s are 8. So multiply together 3.142 into 8. Sorry 4. 3.142 into 4 plus 8. So we get a value 20.56 centimeter. So area of a semicircle. Area of a semicircle. A semicircle is just half of a circle. To find the area of a semicircle, we just like a half of the area of the circle. Half of the area of the circle. So semicircle formula, area is equal to 1 by 2 pi r square. So area of a circle formula, pi r square. Area of a semicircle formula, 1 by 2 pi r square. Area of a semicircle formula, 1 by 2 pi r square. Area of a semicircle formula, area is equal to 1 by 2 pi r square. So pi value 3.142. 3.142 into 4 square. 3.142 into 4 square. So 4 4s are 16. So 3.142 into 16. So divided by 2. So we get a value 25.14 centimeter square. 25.14 centimeter square. Thank you students. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Kindly write down all the sums. So prepare well for the worksheet. Thank you.